Hello YouTube, this is Webb from Twin Cousins Reptiles, and today we are coming at you guys with another Morph Monday. Today we are discussing one of the most recognizable leopard geckos in the hobby. If you don't recognize this leopard gecko, this is a blizzard. So basically a blizzard is a morph that's been around for a good while. They were first proven by Jay from Prehistoric Pets in 1995, so a good 23 years back, so they've been around a good while. But yeah, they have a really cool reptile. They don't work as much with leopard geckos now, but they have a really cool reptile zoo. And they breed, I believe, ball pythons, reticulated pythons, that stuff. I'll probably leave a link to their channel down in the description. Go check it out. Back to the blizzard. And yeah, I think they're in Long Beach, California, when they were discovered. Not completely sure though. That's where their current location is. But anyway, so the blizzard is a really cool leopard gecko morph because it's a recessive, just like the Murphy's pattern list. So basically, the Murphy's pattern list and the blizzard have a lot of similarities. The Murphy's pattern list is basically all yellow leopard gecko, just what it sounds like. It's a leopard gecko with no pattern. And the blizzard is a grayish animal, and then they tend to fade out to more yellowy white with age. So a lot of the times blizzards will start with more of like a darker pattern, and then they will kind of get a little lighter with age. And also the color of the blizzard, how dark they are at the start, that is also determined with incubation. If you incubate the blizzard at a lower temperature after those 22 days, then you will get darker blizzard. Lower temperature, darker blizzard. Higher temperature, lighter blizzard. Same as albinos. Also, while touching on the shade of gray of blizzards, there are also midnight blizzards, which I will touch on in a minute. But now let's go to some cool blizzard crosses. So, looking at blizzard recessive to dominant crosses. So basically, blizzards to normals. If you haven't seen me do this before, basically this is just basically Punnett squares. This is how the genetics work. So this is the key here. 2 capital B's stands for normal, since normal is dominant over blizzard. Since normal is dominant and then blizzard is recessive. Capital B lowercase b stands for normal het for blizzard, meaning a normal leopard gecko that still carries that blizzard trait. And then 2 lowercase b's equals this guy here. A blizzard, a visual looking blizzard. But the het, you obviously can't, if you're just looking at a normal leopard gecko, you can't tell that has that in it unless you know for sure, or you know the parents. So first let's start off with a blizzard cross to a blizzard. So if you haven't used the Punnett square before, this is basically how it works. These 2 right here, those are the 2 genes from the one parent. These 2 right here are the genes from the other parent. And everything inside the box are the possibility of outcome of the offspring. So a blizzard cross to a blizzard. So basically everything from this B just goes down. So there, one from this, one from this. So same for all the other ones. They all go down. So you're going to get a 100 chance of blizzard. 4 of these are going to come out as a blizzard, just like this girl here. Blizzard cross to a normal. So this one right here, this parent's a normal, this parent's a blizzard. This one, 1 out of 4 of these will come out as normal leopard geckos het for blizzard. So 100 chance of a normal het for blizzard. So as I said, you're not going to be able to tell unless if you obviously know one of the parents was a visual blizzard and you cross it to a normal. The animals are going to be 100% chance that they're het for that blizzard. Since one of the parents, they got one of the genes from one of those parents. But they obviously will look like a normal leopard gecko. Normal. Let me go to this one first. Blizzard crossed to a normal head. It's het for Blizzard. So this parent right here is the Blizzard. This parent right here is the normal that is het for the Blizzard. So you're gonna get this speed goes over, this one goes over, same as I just explained. So you're gonna get a 50% chance of a Blizzard, those two right there, and you're gonna get a 50% chance of a normal Leopard Gecko that is het for Blizzard, and that'd be these two here. So 1/2 chance of Blizzard, 1/2 chance of normal het Blizzard. Now here, this is the normal het Blizzard cross to a normal het Blizzard. So as you can see, both the parents are normal het for Blizzard. This one is a normal. This one is a normal het Blizzard, and that one right there is a Blizzard. So 1 in 4 will be Blizzard, 25% chance. And then 3 of 4 will look normal, but 2 of those 4 will be a het for Blizzard, although 1 won't be. So this is where we get into something I haven't really discussed. Is what we call a 66% het. Basically, that means is since there are these free animals here, 2 out of the free theoretically would be het for Blizzard. And this is all probability. All these basically are just by the flip of the coin, except for like obviously if it's 100%, but like the 50%, 25, that's all by probability. So you could obviously flip a coin 10 times and get 10 tails, but it's not as likely. This is all probability. But yeah, this is 66% chance it's going to be het for Blizzard, and there's a 33% chance this is going to be a normal. Now, let's look at some cool combo morphs that can be made with the Blizzard. I will probably discuss combo morphs in later videos, but I did kind of want to throw them, some of the cool combos that can be made with Blizzards, into this video. So first I'm just going to start off saying Blizzard single gene morph. Now Banana Blizzard. Now Banana Blizzard is that Murphy's patternless I was talking about earlier. In a certain way it's crossed to a Blizzard. You aren't going to get it just by directly crossing it to a Blizzard. I will explain the steps you have to go through to get that animal in a minute. But yeah. So Blazing Blizzard. A Blazing Blizzard is any of the albinos crossed to a Blizzard. Same as this, but it's not a direct cross. You can't cross. I'll explain in a minute when I get to that. But that's 2 gene morph, both of those ones. Now the third one is a cross of these 2 morphs. So this one has all 3 in it. It has Blazing Banana. It's a Blazing Banana Blizzard. So it has any of the 3 albinos. Obviously, we would list the albino that it was hatched from, whether it be Bell, Rainwater, or so it'd be like Bell, Blazing Banana Blizzard, the Murphy's patternless, and the Blizzard. So those are the 3 traits. So now on to the Diablo Blanco. So basically a Diablo Blanco is, I'll describe these ones a little more. The Banana Blizzard is a more yellowy looking Blizzard. Banana Blizzard's a more white looking Blizzard. Phenotypically that's how they'll end up looking. The Blazing Banana Blizzard, I wish I had a photo to show you guys, or Gecko. But anyway, the Diablo Blanco is a all-white leopard gecko, and it has red eyes. So it's a 4-morph trait. It has Tremper Albino, specifically Tremper, Tremper Eclipse, Patternless Stripe, not Murphy's Patternless, but Patternless Stripe, and Blizzard. It's basically the Blizzard equivalent of a Raptor or Radar. And also, I just did want to touch on what the Midnight Blizzard is. Basically, the Midnight Blizzard is a basically a dark-looking blizzard. I really can't call it a line because it's not polygenic, but it is. Some people will just call the darker blizzards midnight blizzards. They aren't proven to be anything different, I believe. But yeah, did want to touch on that real quick. Now, finally, I am warning you ahead of time. This next chart is a genetic war. It's a genetic war ground. It's a genetic battlefield. So just mentally prepare yourself. This is recessive to recessive. How you get that banana blizzard, for example. This one I am doing banana blizzard because it's Murphy's patternless and blizzard. So same thing. 2 capital B's is normal. Capital B, lowercase b. Normal het for blizzard. 2 lowercase b's, blizzard. And I'm using M for Murphy's patternless because patternless, the P would look a little, the lowercase and uppercase would look similar, so I am using M. 2 capital M's, normal. Capital M, lowercase m. Normal het for patternless. 2 lowercase m's, patternless. So here you have that blizzard across that Murphy's patternless. How I was saying you weren't going to get a banana blizzard. So as I said, you guys you know how you have to have 2 lowercase b's for that to be a blizzard and 2 lowercase m's for that to be a Murphy's patternless. So since this only has 1 from each, basically that's just going to be a normal looking leopard gecko, but it is going to be double het for both. It's going to be het for blizzard and it's going to be het for Murphy's patternless. And if you were wondering how it can be het for both, for example, the albino gene, for example, all 3 of the albinos, you can't cross the albinos because the albino gene only is on one spot of the chromosome of the leopard gecko. Blizzard's on a separate spot. Patternless is on a separate spot. Marble Eye, Eclipse, all the recessives, they're all on different spots. But the albinos, since they're on the same spot, you can't do this with multiple albinos. So yeah, that'd be a 100% chance of a normal het patternless blizzard. So basically what we're doing is we're taking this animal that's a normal and it's double het, and we're going to go double het cross double het. So basically that is a normal het blizzard, normal het Murphy's patternless. And we're representing this by crossing these a few different ways. Basically, this is the same thing as this, is the same thing as this. It's just a different way of putting it. But yeah, this goes over and everything. And then I'm not going to go read through every single one of these, but you're going to get a 1 in 16 chance of that banana blizzard. 1 in 4 will be these 4, as you can see, all have 2 lowercase b's, so those ones are all blizzard, even though technically they're only going to get 3 animals that are just blizzard. The 4th animal right here that is banana blizzard is technically considered blizzard, so it's banana blizzard, but it's also blizzard. So there are 4 blizzards, but one of them is banana blizzard. Same thing with Murphy's patternless. Those 3 are going to be Murphy's patternless. So 1 in 4 chance of Murphy's patternless, 1 in 4 chance of blizzard. And right here, everything else is going to be either het blizzard or het Murphy's patternless, except for 1 gecko. You're obviously not going to be able to tell what it is because all these other leopard geckos are going to be normal, and that leopard gecko here is not going to be het for anything. It's going to be normal. So yeah, I hope I didn't confuse you too much with that. But I did kind of want to explain that. But yeah, this is my blizzard here. I will be coming back to you guys next Monday with another morph. Not quite sure what morph I'm going to after this. Probably not going to be recessive. I went through 3 of the recessives. I don't think I have any other recessive leopard geckos. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And bye.